Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you a trade that we just got in. It's a 2005 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. This boat is in good shape. We've got an aluminum trailer that's included with this boat. This boat's in the pewter hull color, white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We've done a lot of work to this boat. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more. Guys, this boat has the 350 mag paired with the Bravo 3 outdrive. We've done a lot of work to this boat, as I mentioned earlier. We've done the bilge pump, we've done the blower, we've done a full service on the motor. This boat is ready to go out on the water. Let's take a look inside and I can show you some of the interior. Guys, as we're hopping up into the boat, I just want to mention we have a beautiful sun deck back here, or a swim platform here in the back. Awesome for hanging out in the water. It's got a telescoping swim ladder that tucks away right here under this hatch. Guys, we're in the front of the 240 Sundeck. As you can see, we've got a lot of spacious seating up here in the bow area. Lots of storage underneath these bow cushions on both port and starboard side. We do have a front boarding ladder up here in the bow, as well as an anchor locker. Nice little spot for some ice and some drinks. JL audio in this boat, as well as a front washdown and a rear washdown as well. As we move back, you can see we've got a large head compartment. The head has been removed on this boat, but you could always add a porta-john if you wanted to, or just use that for extra storage down below. As we move back to the helm, you can see we've got our analog gauges, got a Clarion audio, as well as our JL audio speakers throughout the boat. You got a nice subwoofer up here, as well as your amplifiers tucked away down underneath the helm. Super comfortable seating up here at the captain's chair and the co-captain's chair. They swivel. We got our flip-up bolster on both sides. As we move back, we've got more spacious seating in here, as well as a nice little sink. Tons of cup holders throughout this boat. Great boat for entertaining. You're just hanging out there with your family and friends. It does come with a Bimini water sports tower, and we've got some pod speakers here on the back as well. Guys, if you want to come check this boat out in person or you have any questions about it, just give us a call or stop by our Greenville showroom.